As we speak now, over community, transform I don't need the president, they do this foundation. By the grace of God, next week, we go commission them.
No be lie.
500 kVA transformer. Orovia community, a health center is under construction. Nala.
You see, they declare, they hey. We hey.
Chief Ekata is here. The father has gone to the foundation. I know the story. When I know say during that credit now, we know the inside joke. I think that work everywhere for the two work, they are not doing that work. So if we do that one for this local government and our God knows us. So now let's say we can do better. This show already under construction. Now they go complete them. You no need to go the answer or the tell the story. They know the story. They go complete them. They know where they pay now for men. They know where they pay us for men. This hunger, when other people cause for grass, so now they go enter for those states. Now they go solve the problem already. Because other people so they don't know where they go. They don't get blueprints. They don't understand the government. They don't know how to run government. Now the people where Sabi now they there so they don't know what they call the integrity of commerce. Now they go so PDP. Well done.
Respect, talk about Pabo Council Chairman.
Wapa Bonale. Lafwen.
Incoming DC won't happy. Men of capacity. Simba Caliber. Now so. Be sure for us. Whatever. Hey!
We thank God for today. Me and Osarodi are just happy as we dey here. Our body just vibrates. We thank God. We come amongst good people and we can't talk good thing. And I know everything where this government don't they do. And I know all the hard work where this government don't they do. We can't talk say on top of that hard work we go do more. This day where we get to do. Some of them, maybe we listen carefully. Now I know say we don't talk about that port, that Gele port. Work don't go. So the way the work day now, we say maybe we just get small more money join them. All the approval, everything where we need from government, federal government, we don't beg them, we don't collect, everything don't day. We promise you now. Say that port we go do am, and now go benefit pass for this Nigeria. The only thing wey I wan tell you now be say when una money come, make una remember me. So when I begin chop the money, make una no chop am by yourself. Make una no talk say na we get am. Na all of us get am. So when enjoyment come, make una no enjoy by yourself. Make una remember all the people wey do am. Because that port when he come, una go hammer for this area. Make it still they greet us, make it say I no go greet us again, Because I don't see one man there, they take on an eye look me. You go still greet us, So by God's grace, we go deliver that port. We know say also there are issues of road, but the thing where we need to do if we get that port, even the money we go they come from that port, all of the road where they are go be like Obodo Ibo. So what we need now, we need everybody to cooperate for the work of the port and make we pray. Because me, I know say now that port go save Edo State. Now that port go make Edo State the #1 state for Africa. So now we get the port. I beg, make we cooperate, make we do everything quick. So make we hammer. The other matter where I want to talk quick before Sarodi talk, because we can't talk what we go do, make all our life better. Anytime I dey pass here, the plantain wey dey here big pass cow. E be like say God give us this gift of plantain. So we get to look for how we go build company wey go dey use that plantain. So no be just Ipekere and Dodo we go take and do. We go take and do things wey we go send go Obodo Oyibo. From that our port, we go take and go Obodo. I dey warn you now, when you now become big people now, make you remember the rest of us. Make you remember the rest of Edo State. But by God's grace, even the things where we they do, school, hospital, we go even do them better because now go get too much money. So by God's grace, make you just stay with us. The other thing where I want to show now, on election day, I take God begging now, look for umbrella. You don't go see Osalodion name. You don't go see my name. The umbrella you go see. I beg, put umbrella, stamp am. Stand beside umbrella. Stand beside umbrella. Stand beside umbrella. I beg, the thing, if you don't get handkerchief, rub am for head. So make you not put them anywhere else. No fold them, because if you fold them, if you touch another place, then put them inside. Then we go wait, count the votes, follow them, go collation center. Nobody must cheat us, We don't go agree, because good thing won't come. We must accept the good thing won't come. God go bless us, and we promise you now say na go proud. Na chest na go take waka say na be Bedo people. We promise you now. God bless you now.
PDP! Asue for governor! PDP! Asue for governor! Oghede! Now welcome. Sabi? What did we sabi? We sabi how to take out our welfare, Abi? Now so. We don't get that work. Only more problem we get that to protect you and to make sure that you are well taken care of. Our promise that anything that will take us to protect you, to give you security will do. Anything that it will take us to make sure that we improve your welfare, we do it. What have we done? You remember a common road? Do you remember a common road? You know the state of this road. Before we came around, I was promised you that that road will be done. Have we not started? You don't like that road to get to Oghede? So, you need to vote for us so that we continue the work we have started. I tell you, in the last 6 months, we have given over 6 transformers to 6 different communities in this local government. If you are in darkness and somebody came to give you light, is that not your friend? Yes. Is that not looking for a welfare? Yes. We will do more. Yes, empower us to do more. Yes, so we are aware that many of other communities are still in darkness. So we have just started work. And between now and election time, more communities will get transformers. Why they look for election? Why they look for vote? Is it not to come and serve the people? Yes, sir. Is that not so? Yes, sir. We are here, we are coming to you. So that you know us. So that we will tell you what we intend to do. You don't need, we don't ask ourselves what we have done before. You know me. Don't you know me? Have I promised anything that we don't do? If they come, and if they feel come, they can ask them what they don't do before. Can you hear me? Yes, sir. They will say anything talk? No, sir. Instead of them. Listen. Instead of them to come to now, and they look for money to acquire guns. To kill who? Don't be scared. The power of the people can never be suppressed. On that day, come out with your voter's card and vote for PDP. Listen, you did it before, you remember? You did it, but did you not do it? You did it 2020. are not here to oppress you.
Yes, sir.
We are here to take care of your Wi-Fi. We are not here to give you hardship. You know there's hardship. Is there no hardship? How much is price of rice now? How much is price of rice? Who comes up? Who comes up? So, thank God. When I know where the problem is, and when I know where the solution is, I want to thank all of you for taking time to come and listen to us. And our promise is that we will spend every inch of our time to make sure that you are well catered for. PDP! 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 PDP!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And before we go, when I trust us, we trust you now, and we are going to work hard for now. And our happiness is your happiness is our happiness.
Thank you, sir.
So everybody will trust us, we go vote for us. Maybe you can't cap up or wave your hand. God bless all of us.
See cap everywhere. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. We stay one way. We stay one way.
Women, oh yeah. If we no be men, we sabi. We no go vote any other person. No, we no go vote. If we no be PDP, we no go vote any other. Yo, we no go vote. We no go vote for PDP. Oh yes, PDP. Oh yes, but he go down. Oh yes, because he go do one. Oh yes, man we sabi. Yes. He go better mama. Oh yes. He go better papa. Oh yes. He go better pikin. Oh yes. He go better hedo. Oh yes.
PDP Asue for governor, Ogie for deputy. Who are you, Mao? Then what they have when you are here, Emana, why do you want to election now on the 21st of September now. Who are come over Kagao? A PDP, Otunorate, Otuabe Hero, no better than why I for Emana, a PDP win election at the United. Who are Mao? Asue Igodaro,
This way, sir. This way, sir. This way, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You can't go to if I have people Sodi, Utoka, then I have Mawana, or Yemawe, Evan of Walumamevo, Keke, Alago Dogabo, oh, I have a Papa, the only time we walk. And go where? Oriago, Orie, Ogolego, Area. Why are you paying now? On the level, oh, I am paying. All the work back, one has to go, one has to be one at your one for body with the poor. Okay, and if I carry, I can one my. If you to work in, and go where the Guavana, I'm a Puma. Oh, when the Maria Laja Vazena, over by the Maria Laja, I want a woman, oh, Muguiava, Asue men, Igodalo, O Sadio, Ogie, I am a little Mawa. Here a banner. Level, Ayaki, you are allowed to go on here. If you are never any, you never not the parents, so they can move away. How can they evaluate in the remark? Senator, and girls, I'm the one who put that girl. If I hear that working, but I command you now to come here for whatever I could go you. All I'm going to joke. I want me someone who would wear it. Rule Danny, Ojano, you want. You always or what? We went on the way with us. No, I'm making it in the attack. You don't know why you want that. No, I got a woman lad, or I don't know where, and I don't know why I'm about to play.
Utoka oye. Igbo Shodi oye. See, you get where you will go. You don't want to. Because the people don't help you higher. They don't vote for us higher. What you will just do, tell us, say, thank you for the one you have done. Thank you for the one you have done. PDP, they thank you now. Say the one I don't do for us before, I think God will bless you now. But this one will come so now, for the 21st of September. These two people will bring one control now. The things we never do before, they will do it now. What will be their slogan? Ego, ego. Whatever it is that they have that first government never do before, these two people they will do it for Igbo shooting. Because I don't talk about adopted word, I like to talk. So for us,
as PDP, we say the suffering when this APC government they give us is too much. If you know the suffer for this Nigeria, then put up your hand. If you know the suffer, if you know the suffer, if you know the suffer, put up your hand. Chair. So if you dey suffer, what you will do with your PVC? We go need to punish that government when they make us to suffer. And which government be that? That APC. Even man to do pronounce that name, say they had me, my man they bitter. Very bad people. Very bad. Hunger. People they go house, go sleep, then they see food shop. Who cause am? APC. Yes, they will still get mine. But those people get mine, sha. Very wicked mind. They will still get mine. Come meet to the same and vote for them. How? How? So I beg. Was 12 and 13 in Ovia North East. They help us before, but they support us before. This one, we they beg on a final begging. Vote for us this time, and all the things we never do for this state or these 2 wars before, they will do it for now. If you don't believe, raise your hand. If you don't believe, they will do it for now. If you don't believe, raise your hand. You see that? Over the too much. Power yourselves, I beg.
Correct my ways, happy. Deputy Martin, 1 million yards.
Oh my God,
I beg, I don't waste my time. But I want Asue now. I want us to reaffirm our commitment. Say these 2 people who are the seat for here, the governorship candidate and his deputy. Say there be men we sabi, and there be men we go remove hunger for our land. Una know say we do election whenever we take cancel election, abi? Una know Uogba road where they go and see your side. Now look how we open up. We create that go papa and many other roads.
Okay, don't do.
Now do west side.
You don't do. You don't do. You try small. You try. You know, me and Osarodion, as we come today, we talk one thing. Say, 1, we go beg. 2, we go promise. 1, the first beg. All those things where other people get to do, where they never do till today, we go do everything. The road, that road, Well, see, member of house where they here, no disturb also. The thing must enter budget. First day, that road. Everybody where they here, where I talk to personally, I tell them, I say, I put my life and commitment on that road. So we go do them. So we beg, but we promise. Don't be saying make you don't make mistake. The important thing, you go put that for budget. All as human beings, you go make mistake, but you must not make the same mistake 2 times. Now be the team. So I promise you now. I promise all of you now, where they under the sound of my voice this afternoon. Say that road, we go do them. And we go do them as if we go fight them for House of Assembly, make them put the money for budget. We go do them. We promise you, Mama, I don't promise you now. But when I promise you, I kneel down and beg you. Well, we go do them. And I hear say for around this Ward 12 area, lights no day. You know, all these things, that's why we say we won't come here. People dey for this world. We no poor. We no they suffer. The money when Nigeria don't they make since 1956 from oil is enough make we get 7 Dubai for this Nigeria. All those people for Abuja, they carry our money, they chop them. So the money no fit come down to us in this place to build road, wahala. To build transformer, wahala. To chop, wahala. Bag of beans, wahala. Bag of rice, wahala. Tomato, wahala. To sleep self, wahala. How bad? Man go dey self. Man go dey look his wife. Wife go dey look man. Nobody fit touch the other. Wahala. He don't do. God don't bring us this world come suffer. So by God's grace, we promise you now. Say that wahala go away. That wahala go That wahala go We promise you now. Because it be like say, when will they come? I know if you come down from inside motor, fear they catch me. I say, waiting I go talk. Waiting I go talk. But I know say, when I know am well, and I trust them. When I don't begin know me, and they trust me. Double trust, now quadruple trust. Quadruple trust, now performance. So, by God's grace, we go do it. I don't say God no go come from heaven, no. Now us God go use. That's so we go do it. So we promise you now. All of the way they here, my brothers will be under the tree. I promise you now. Now my main men they under the tree for that side. I promise you now. I don't tell them. They tell me say, if I don't keep promise, they go beat me. I say, ha. So I promise you now. God go bless you now. All those things that we need, make we be better society, make we enjoy ourselves, make all these insecurity, kidnapping, fit come out. Make we all those things we will come out. This thing no hard like this. Yes, the problem be say if leader no loving people, na in wahala dey dey. Once leader loving people, wahala no dey. E be like mama wey pikin dey cry. E go say pikin wey dey cry, e go remove the thing wey dey make am cry. So if you love your people, you must make sure say your people know they cry. Our people cry don't do. I don't even know how our mamas how they manage. They go market with 100 naira today. If they carry 100 naira tomorrow, they're not going to reach half the thing where they buy today tomorrow. Then they go reach house. Husband go say one chop 3 meats. So she go to scratch it. So she go take 1 meat, cut them into 3. Say husband see 3 meats. So our mama, I thank you now. Now hold us well. Now hold the society. And now carry me and Osarodi for back. As now carry us for back, we don't say we don't fit fall. As now carry us for back, we don't say the promise where we give you now, we go do them. Making us continue having faith and trust in us. We don't go failing now. We promise. So when we come back in 4 years' time, and I go carry say, you talk this, you do them? Yes. You talk this, you do them? Yes. You talk this, you do them? Yes. If we don't do them, now go say, make them don't come down from inside motor, make them they go where they come from. Quick. Even self me, I get shame. Shame go catch me now. Wait till I won't tell all my mama, my sister, my brothers where I don't they talk, where they beg. So I go tell them, say I do them, I don't do them. It will be like picking where Papa spend all the money and go school, he fail. So, by God's grace, we promise you now. It is well. And I know that song for Bible. It is well. It is well with our soul. It is well with our life. It is well with our community. It is well. And in this community, by the time industry begin come for this community, now Oyibo go dey beg now say they won't come. Now Oyibo go dey beg now say they won't come. Because we now get all the natural resources. And so we go do them. Now go begin make money for this state, and this state go make money for Nigeria. Now us go save Nigeria. And it go start from this 12 and 13. So, making a day with us. And then some people go come here, they come talk stories, say don't mind them. Those people ask them, say what did they do for their own life before? They go just come, they go say they won't do violence, they won't do this. They won't pick it, they carry and go Canada to go sit down. Then they want to use my brothers here, make them they take their head, crack coconuts. Tell them when they come, go bring your pikin come. Bring your own pikin come first. You go they say people carry gun, kabaka, all kind of nonsense people. Bring your own pikin come. Yes. So make we count. We go vote, make we look where umbrella dey. I beg that ink, just put am for this finger, Just put am for this finger, that ink. Press beside the umbrella. When you press and finish, if the ink no quick dry, rub am for head. You go back for you reach house. Rub am for head. When it dry, so that your hand no go touch another place. Then hold am gently, put am inside ballot box. Then we go wait, count am. When they count am finish, they announce am. You record am for your phone. We go collation center. They collect am, announce am. We record am. I take God begging am, make them no mumu us. We don't go greet them mumu us again, no. Yes, sir. And by God's grace, every gig will work out well. Yes, sir. And the member of House of Assembly don't promise us say go dey, but once it dey, even if you know the budget, we go find the money.
Yes, sir.
If na my money, I go take do and we go find the money.
That's so.
We go find the money. Even people for budget no answer us. We go find the money. I promise you now. God bless you now. Make me listen to Osarodion.
Thank you, sir.
PDP! PDP! Like my brother don't tell you now, as we come now, we ask ourselves, say, how this will be like this? But when I reach here, I also see some of my old friends. It's not over. We promised them the last time, say, as specialists, we will make sure, say, every month, every 26, as civil servants they get their land, they will get their own. Not so. We don't come back with the promise now. This road, this over, Utoka Road, we will do one. Not only the road, we don't also find and say, one hospital. They are around here, Abi. When they abandon, Abi, I will not go leave here, they go believe for treatment. That one good? So we will also make sure, say, because our interest and our welfare, we will make sure, say, that hospital, we also put that as priority.
Women, oh yeah!
What will be our work? Not to come make nothing happy. And to spread poverty, I want her to make me happy.
Yes, sir.
Some people, they want her to come spread poverty. Abi? So, we promise now, when you now vote for us, and God bless our desire, come in and make sure that this road is constructed immediately.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We also make sure that the health facility here is completed so that everybody within these communities will have better welfare services. Oba Atope! Oba Atope! Oba Atope!
If you know, say you trust us, you believe us, carry your cap and your hand up. We love all of you now. We promise you now, say we don't go fail you now. We go make Ina very, very proud. God bless all of you. Thank you very much, sir. Anyone, when I was saying,
because of phone, make I fight with my people. He go down a good to go. He good to go. He say go. He say go. Say he good to go. He good to go. Okay, everybody. Okay, Asue. He go down a good to go. He say go. Okay, good to go. He say go. I go give the best answer for them. The best answer I go give you some.
We don't try you. Then we go support to for governor.
I swear when they try to, then we go support to for governor.
I swear we don't try you. Mama, we go support them for governor.
I swear when they try. Oh yeah now. Okay, listen. PDP. Somebody say I want. Never ever again.
Hey, don't know go back. Now forward ever. If you go and turn out to go and do something, now you go down to them though. If you enter Okada.
Hey. Say you good to go. He good to go. He say go.
I know say Okada that day. So Bessie, they go grant meet our Oga. Now be the deputy governorship candidate by Asue Ogie. He called me. He said, I tell Okada for the crack on do honorable justice today though. Immediately we soon do Asue. When I say waiting, his excellency don't do for that. God we know Asue Obaseki our governor. When I see the line that there, we go one or two, we go Iguabo, we are not seeing the young who are there. So the same people we attract our development and we also we go unveil the governorship candidate and his level to give now. So make it not lose us. We want 95% from Ovia North East. And this area that will give us that maximum votes. And that's how we know. Make it not disappoint us. PDP! Power to the people. Now do it. APC. We know all the software they don't give us since 2015 when they take government. Today, even though you say person a rich man, everybody, the poverty where they Nigeria, they touch everybody. Anybody will vote for APC. You know what they vote for? They vote for all poverty continue. All those Kakaibu people, when they don't know it's the government, they just say that the time when they see they carry government money, they shall not give to people. Take the money, they build houses outside of those states. Now we see it. That time don't pass. Our food don't pass. I want to make sure I'm going to tell everybody. When I come to Okada the other day, I got that NYSC card where they say when they do things, so we say other states before they copy. Now we want. PDP government for those states, that first time they pay 70,000 for Nigeria. When they talk now, other governments they cost our government. But today, not without 70,000 federal government they struggle to pay now. We need government, and government when we say if it sets the pace, other parts of Nigeria they will follow. That kind of person I could be governor of Edo State. And that kind of person I be Asue Oghede.
Now 1 minute they give me may I take great now. I think you know me well. Yes. When I do council chairman here, you know. Yes. That fine secretariat I mean do am. Yes. I built hospital for women. Yes. That's better. I built for the I built schools plenty. No woman. Una like me? Yes. Okay. If una like me, who una want vote for? I'm okay. Yes. Make una show that love. Make I know say una really like me and love me well.
I'm happy to come here. If the person get papa like a sama of the universe, the person don't complete with that though. Now our papa be that, when we see what he do for us. When we get people like that, we don't say we get forward looking forever. Because make rain no beat us here, and rain no go beat us here. Because God don't help us hold the rain. The way God will prosper us. Maybe just talk something. The goodness and mercy and the joy of God Almighty that has descended on us here, we go see plenty more. one area there where they say Ambrose and Eastern Bridge, the bridge never finished. When Osanoji and myself they come just now, we say the bridge never finished, we will finish out. They said Ambrose and Eastern town, after we go down, we will finish out. Nothing spoil, no shaking, making no fear. This is a university community. It's a community of you people, intellectual, super vicious Nigerian human. Now going to go front. And the front where now they go, make nobody pull on our back. Make no agree for anybody to pull on our back. Some people won't come here and pull us back. You know what will happen. Now be the timber merchants of the world. Now from here, all Midwestern region they sell timber. From here, make them not allow them pull us back. We will rehabilitate and strengthen our timber business. Our people when they do cocoa, they think say na Ondo State they do cocoa. Not be Ondo State. Now Edo State they do cocoa. Now we own the cocoa. We just lend them for Ondo State and Ekiti State. They go know who be who. So by God's grace, by the time we don't reach, we don't get in our support, we now go see goodness and mercy. We now go see the grace of God Almighty. We now go see say this our area will become like Obodo Ibo. Now the work when we go do with that, no pass that. So we take God back all of now. Make it just calm. On election day, don't put your hand for that ink. This one. Don't put up for ink. Press them by umbrella. Press them by umbrella. Once you press them by umbrella, make you wipe your hand though. If you don't wipe it for your head, make your hand not touch another place. Then hold on, make it dry swell. Then put them inside that box. When you enter box, make sure they enter well. Then we go stay till they count. When they count, they announce. Hold on for your phone. You follow them go collection center. You follow them until we reach Benin. And so we go do our own. Nobody go cheat us. We don't go clear. Goodness and mercy won't follow us. We go make goodness and mercy come. By God's grace, it is well. By God's grace, I go see say this Edo State go pass Obodo Ibo. Those Oyibo people don't get sense regions. When you don't get sense regions, how they get country way better pass our own? Now because we don't get people who love us. You see how Sama love us? You see what they bring come? Once we get leadership who love us, we're going to see good things. And by the grace of God, me and this man here, we love everybody. We won't show say Nigerians are more superior to anybody on the face of the earth. And I go see him by God's grace. So I thank you now for coming. I thank everybody. Make we just stay strong. Make we stay calm. Make we no fear. Make we come vote. All those people want make we fear. So they do scatter. Don't fear them. Nothing shaking. God bless you now. And for Kokomo farmers, Asue.
PDP! PDP! If you want people there, who want people there? If want people there, you don't know me. The man will sabi. People will sabi. Now well done. Don't be who sabi road. Now we go follow. The person will do Umboku is you a road. You know if do the road to evacuate Coco farmers. Coco farmers. We will do issue a road. We don't do a road. Then I tell evacuate my product. Okay. Una chairman tell una just now. He say the community cry come with us say they need transformer. Abi? The man wey sabi, he go meet them. The man wey sabi say in 14 days a transformer will be installed. Was it not done? Una go leave the people wey sabi, then una follow the people wey not sabi. If you now tell some people say you need transformer, they don't go understand. They go ask you and say, what do you need transformer mean? No. They don't know what to be transformer. They go ask. They want to be.
You sure? You sure? You sure?
PDP. I don't call any person name, but they know themselves. Now who no road? Now they show person road. Who no road will come lead you? I'm messing on the law. How about talk to him?
Hello! Ovia North East, Ogie! Ovia North East, Ogie! I beg, the youth wait there here. The youth wait there here. That's you now. That's it. With una cap, that's it. Oh boy, see blue. This is the most energetic crowd we have met all through. Clap for yourself. That I invite to the microphone. The man of the moment. Dr. Asue. Sing
If you not be PDP, you don't go vote any other party. I say you down with man with Sabi. You got better of them all. Now you can lead us to the promised land. I swear you down for governor. Ogie na correct man with Sabi. Deputy material 1 million yards. You follow lead us to the promised land. Asue no die, he shot for us. Forward and back, keep us where we go, prosper. And I will we know the go back. Asue you go down for government.
PDP! Make I start by saying we are sorry. Because I know say some of you don't dey here tete. So we're really sorry. We don't come out since 7 a.m. this morning with a waka, but they hold us here, they hold here. So I take up begging now. Sorry. Huh? I beg now. Huh? I sorry. So I sorry, make I no vex. No be so we go wrong government. We go run am well. Well. Hey, see my brothers and sisters here, the teachers, salt of the earth. Salt of the earth! Our people, our fathers, our brothers, our sisters. Me and Osarodion, we come here today. We just want to talk one thing. One thing. Say, by the grace of God Almighty, all of us who are here, all our ward, our local government, by God's grace, we go develop and pass Oyibo land. Finish. Why are they use Oyibo land as standard? So that we go understand. And make I give you one example. Many of you here go school with Oyibo. Many of you now Pikin go school with Oyibo. When in a day school, when I pass them for class, how come they fit do country way fine pass your own when you get sense pass them? Now be my wahala. And I think I'm. The thing where I see be say, the people will be our leaders here, they don't love us. If they love us, that sense where we get, they go help us use them, make we better pass Oyibo. So the thing when me and Osarodia can tell you that we say, all those areas where problem dey, say we get school for $100, when you do the school, don't worry, that school we go improve them. They say federal government take them. If federal government knows how to use them, we take our team back, we use them well. This is not the home of education. Home of brilliant people, home of people where God gives sense. How some people go, they take us go back. How can we don't fit buy beans, we don't fit buy rice, we don't fit buy tomato? Wait till we do them. We don't do them anything. So we go do for ourselves. If they don't want to go forward, we go forward. Make a day back. So we promise you now. They say we don't get security for some places. By God's grace, we go use normal technology do security. In 2024. All these things where they talk say they kidnap somebody, enter bush, we don't see them. No, for normal country, you know they happen. Now for only country where the people where they Abuja don't love their people, that kind of thing will happen. So it don't go happen with us again by God's grace. So I take God begging now. 21st September, go police station, your hand, put them for ink, put them beside umbrella. Beside umbrella. Beside umbrella. Once you put them beside umbrella, I beg. That hand there, either you wipe them on paper or wipe them for your head, you go back for a rich house. So I beg you don't use the hand for another place. Because all those people when no get work, when no get seriousness, they begin argue, say it on print for 2 places. We don't want all those things. No need for argument. Allow them to dry small, put them inside ballot box. Wait, make them count them, follow and go collation. We go follow up. They're not going to cheat us. We, by the grace of God and by the goodwill of you people, we are taking all of us to the next level. Countries there where poor people no day. Why our own be say social poverty we don't fit chop? We go change them. Now that's the work where God send us with that. We are God's chosen children, and by His grace we go make all of them happy. We go make them proud. God bless them now.
PDP!
Give me the flag.
PDP!
Where is it? Which one?
Adala people, PDP!
Which one?
Afurengbe PDP! Okoko PDP! So now don't say we know ourselves, have we? Now well done. We don't get any other work. Our work now to come make life better for us. Why did they look for power? Why did they look for office? You don't to lose them, they improve people's life. You don't know us, you don't know me. I never come here and make promise when I don't fulfill before. We came here, we promised you this road, you remember? that we will do this road to come out at Ifon Road, abi? We not do am. We do am, abi? We not do am. So, we don't come back. First, to thank una wetin una do for us for House of Assembly seat. One una vote for our son Charity. Is he not doing well? Is Charity not doing well? Aha! I'm very happy to hear that. So we promise you that on the 21st, trust us with your vote. We will not disappoint you. We don't be like them when they share poverty, our own, and to make life better and improve for all of us. I thank them for all the time when I tell you wait for us to do things. Because if you not believe in us, you not go come, make you spend all this time. I will promise that I will not disappoint you.
If you support us and you go vote for us, make I see your cap. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care. We will see you again soon.
Oh, yeah, sorry. for governor.
Asue for governor.
Ogie for deputy.
When I say Ovia North East, I will say 100%. Ovia North East.
100%.
You know why I'm here talking this? Because the things I don't see today, I don't see another political party for here. For me, I'm going to do the election tomorrow.
That's so 100%.
But we got to be patient till that on the 21st of September. If they like, then they carry everything, carry everything. If I go there that day, go vote for umbrella. Why you want to vote for umbrella? Because you know one make Edo State better pass as it be so. I don't want to make it be say Edo State where don't they move forward, all of a sudden we'll come begin go backward. Forward ever.
Backward never.
Asue son name. It means say now front. Now they look. Who they look front, now they go back. Who they look front and front they go. And those state where they were state so. Even if the old Nigeria and Dabaru, but we must prepare our own. And don't go work carry on me. Because of that one, PDP don't bring out the best candidates. Look, two of them are lawyers. Two of them are very, very successful people. They get the experience. They know what to do. That's why they say they will do one. I asked the doctor for where we go. I said, driver will never drive motor before. If you buy brand new motor, make sure you not drive motor before. Now you go give back go drive. Because I know we don't take government since. You know where government don't work rich. You go say by our governor. Go say, see where we don't work rich. You go continue from there. So that other states will begin come and those states come begin learn. This is not the only party, PDP, where we say when PDP they rule, then they call us PDP share the money. Since APC they rule, will they see money again? Not be who see money they see they share. Then they share poverty. I tell them just now. I said the minimum wage 70,000 naira. You know if we stand bag of rice. And that kind of country that we want. And that kind of state that we want. We want people where we say they will turn those states to a place where we say with good security we're going to produce enough food so that when we don't eat by the food, we'll go see the dash for other people. These same people that they go be the ones who are going to give scholarship to our children because they know the value of education. The position when I reach today for my life, I reach out because now they go to bomb me and that was for school. Papa and mama were born in every teacher, so they know the benefit of education. These people they go send our children go school. Our children go school, then for our old age, they go come to take care of us. And that's how we plan for now. I don't want to talk too much. I'll let them talk to you now. Like, let's say if you church at times, they will say, everybody will go to church. They don't be Christian already. But pastor will still preach. All of Nigeria and PDP, when are they telling them that you will tell others for outside? Why make they not go waste their vote? The only way you can correct anything that is wrong in this country, not be through arm, not be through coup, not be through military coup anymore, not be through war. The only way we can correct anything now through our vote. So we could go out on the 21st of September, go vote for our candidate. Me, I don't get the power to call the names of the candidates. I will not call her. The only person we get the power to call that name out. And our chairman, but call our chairman to talk. Make you now begin. Our own leader for Oluku here.
PDP! Asue for governor. Ìjọba. When my other one had there, okay, my money there. Oluku work. The Bamia owner of motor work. Who are Fiama. Then my way to a bit left back to a bit another where Odoku now
How many of you want make the basic salary make they reduce it to 40,000? How many of them make they reduce it? APC, they say when they call they reduce it because they don't get that kind of money. Because they want to share the money for their people. How many of them want make if the people they go and go best school now, make they remove from there? How many of them? APC, because their people don't go to school, they say they will scrap out, they don't want that. But the candidate say, and go best than Jaga. That's true. It's true. Because he don't go to school. Or if you go school, self, that school you go.
Who no go, no.
You don't know the importance of school.
Who no go, no.
So, not all gone before. Now they go for PDP before. And from what the leader talk here, PDP don't do some things too for here. So I beg, on the 21st of September, carry your PVC, clean and well. Go back for pocket. Go there. Vote. Step behind. Watch what they happen. Snap. So that once the thing from EC8 is pasted, snap out. Send it to us for PDP. We'll give that the phone number to us. So they then, I will reach the World Collection Center. Make sure that reach the World Collection Center before they will go home. They'll give that the form EC8B. It's only after that that you can go home because at that point, there's nothing they can do.
Anyone! Now him go lead us to the promised land. Asue for governor.
PDP! PDP!
We dey campaign.
But we just love una too much, una too much. First of all, we're sorry. Say we keep una long. We are very sorry. Maybe I don't vex. Now since 7 a.m. we don't do road this morning. But we love una because una love us, and una love us because we love una. God bless una. I don't want to talk too much because I don't see some faces, some people hungry, some people tired. By God's grace, we go banish hunger for our land.
Amen.
We go banish tiredness for our land.
Amen.
We go banish all those bad things we don't do. Promise you now. So there's some little things where if it be big things where they worry us. I don't say this problem of light. For Oluku what? I don't say this problem of light. A major issue. Now be the problem. When I talk out, so I make you understand that. That light, no be transformer, no be wire, no be anything, na substation. Now those NEPA people get to do am. Government don't they fight them, make them do am, they don't do am. The money to do am in nearly reach 3 billion. That fight we go fight and finish. If they don't do am, we go bring lights through solar and through other ways. We go bring light. Because our people must not continue suffering. You know, you see when they are the fear self. Because we go too born now when no lights dey. We go just too born. Because by 7 everybody don't enter bedroom. And we don't go do that one. Because normally, by that 7 we go day somewhere, we go dey play with our friends, we go get night economy. So by God's grace, so we go reduce the burning. I beg. So we must get lights, if not that reason. But true, seriously, we promise you now. So we will work for now. And that's the way they worry us at this security. That thing, all the words where they hear, all of us get security. You know, say if we don't cure that security, we don't go cure many things for this our land. So Osarodion and myself, we are dedicated to this issue of security. Thank you, sir. We must cure security. Make everybody fit play. You want Waka go greet your friend, somebody you go to fear. You want Waka go farm, you go to fear. You want go market, you go to fear. You want go school, you go to fear. You want go up, you go to fear. You want go down, you go to fear. No more fear. No more.
Thank you, sir.
So we take our begging and say, stay faithful with us. Trust us. Stay with us. We stay with you now by God's grace. And we are servant leader. Now I'm going to tell us what you now want. What you now want, then we go do. But we go do them in a way we go make us pass Oyibo people. Oyibo people don't get sense with us. How their country better pass our own now? It be like say we don't love ourselves. And we don't get leaders who love us. So we must change all of that narrative. Some other people they call it narration because they don't go to school. But the narrative. So we promise you now. Say, person will no road. No fit show you road.